Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Spotlight with CMD plus space. This is the quickest entry. Once open, type 2 or 3 letters of the file, app, or setting you need. This prunes results fast. Use the up and down arrow keys to preview items without leaving the keyboard and press Return to open. If Spotlight doesn't appear, make sure it's enabled in System Settings under Siri and Spotlight. This step gets you into the search flow immediately, so you can act on results fast. Next, refine results using filters and syntax so Spotlight returns precise matches. Type kind, app or kind, document to limit types, or date today to find recent items. Quotes force exact phrases and adding. PDF narrows to that extension. Use name, followed by a term for file name focus. Once you see a result, press space to preview and decide. Press CMD plus Enter to open the folder containing the file. These refined steps save time by avoiding irrelevant matches and keeping you finish by knowing how to recover when Spotlight misbehaves. If results are missing, rebuild the index. Open System Settings, go to Siri and Spotlight, then remove your disk in Spotlight Privacy to trigger reindexing. If problems persist on Intel Macs, reset NVRAM or SMC as a deeper fix. For power users, run sudo mdoodle e/ in terminal to force an immediate reindex. You'll need admin rights. These actions restore search reliability, so Spotlight works predictably again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.